what I want to encourage you to think about is not only to work with your specialist IT people to put your courses onto Blackboard, but to understand that's implementing e-learning, but it doesn't necessarily solve a solution. And that's important, because what I want you to do later on is reflect back and say, why are you doing this? Sure, you put lectures and labs and email notes on a Blackboard platform because it makes students be able to access your lecture notes, your PowerPoints, your messages. It allows them to network, all those fun things that Blackboard gives you, but it doesn't necessarily make for better learning and teaching compared to traditional ways. And I think you need to look at your traditional teaching, what Blackboard offers, and actually do a blend. And we'll talk about blending later on. Now, there's a lot of stakeholders when you implement e-learning. And this is a key thing that I think we need to understand. And I've put them in different colours here because often the stakeholders have different thoughts of why e-learning is important. Faculty and departmental level, individuals, and I've put the student down the bottom in bigger and bolder font and colour because they're the most important ones that we should be thinking about. At the university level, universities are very competitive, at least they are in Australia. We compete for students. If a university does not have quality resources for their students, the students won't come to that university. So it is important for us to also compete internationally. We have a lot of international students. So the Dean of the Faculty, the university, and even the department have to ensure that all their teaching is very high quality, because students expect that these days. Students come from schools where they have very good teaching. They expect to come to a university where they pay a lot of money, particularly a first-class university, and they expect to have very good teaching resources. So every university should be concerned with that.